Is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. Should I just start my presentation?
Yeah.
Okay. So, hello, my name is Rushi Shah. I'm thrilled to share with you my project from the Better Minds lab internship called Budget Buddy. This is an AI-powered financial coach designed specifically to help young people like students and beginners take control of their finances by offering personalized buying and investment advice. My goal with this project is to make financial literacy more accessible and fun, especially for those who might find managing money intimidating. So, what does Budget Buddy do? Budget Buddy is a web platform that combines the power of artificial intelligence with real-world financial data to guide users towards smarter money decisions. It offers personalized budgeting topics based on your income. It helps track your expenses in a simple way, and it even helps with stock market analysis and to help users learn basic investment opportunities. By using AI, Budget Buddy is able to tailor advice to each user's unique financial situation and make goals for themselves. It also makes managing money easier and understanding how to budget themselves. So, what is the problem statement? The problem statement is that many young people struggle with managing money because financial education is often not a part of their school curriculum, or it is taught in a way that isn't practical or engaging for them. According to studies, over 70% of teenagers express a strong interest in learning about their finances, yet most of them don't receive sufficient instruction. This gap leaves many people vulnerable to poor financial decisions, such as overspending and even collecting debt. Budget Buddy addresses this problem by delivering personalized, easy to follow advice that also empowers the users to build healthy financial habits from an early age. The use case. Let's imagine a real world scenario. A high school student who wants to save money for college, but isn't sure how to budget efficiently or where to start investing. Budget Buddy helps by asking the student to input their income, expenses, and even goals. From there, it generates a personalized savings plan, tracks spending to identify where they can cut back, and provides a simple, actionable advice about investments that fit their risk tolerance. This use case shows how Budget Buddy can transform financial uncertainty into clear, achievable steps toward financial security. The workflow. Here's a simplified look at how Budget Buddy operates. First, the user inputs their financial details, including income, expenses, and goals. This information is then processed by an AI engine that combines rule-based logic like generative AI models such as Gemini. The system analyzes the data and offers personalized budgeting tips and investment recommendations. It also pulls live stock market data using APIs and libraries like Y Finance, which is Yahoo Finance, to provide up-to-date insights. Finally, the results are displayed on an easy-to-understand dashboard where users can track their progress and adjust their plans accordingly. Should I show my how it works right now, or should I finish the presentation or go later and show it later?
Yeah, you can show it how it works and then we can come back to the presentation.
Okay, that's good. Uh, mm, okay. Sorry, it's just loading right now.
Yeah, it's okay. In the meantime, you can tell me how did you come up with this idea, like the problem statement.
Oh, okay. So, um, I mentioned to you how like in my outside of school I also teach basic finance to some other like children, right? So I wanted to create like a, a simple program in a way that I can also implement in those workshops so they can like the children can have a better understanding of their finances as well. That's basically it.
That's really nice.
Uh, mm, yeah. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay. So first, it's gonna ask how old are you? So I'm just gonna say 20. Enter your monthly income. I'm gonna say 10,000. Enter your estimated monthly expenses, uh maybe 4,000. How much do you currently have saved? Maybe 100,000. Do you have any investments? Uh let's just say yes, I have some shares of stocks. Do you have any debt? Currently I do not have any debt. What is your main financial goal? Saving for college. What is your risk tolerance? We could set that at medium. Enter your city. I'm currently in Orange County, so I'm just gonna say Orange County. Uh, do you have any major uh, uh buying a car? Maybe get budget advice. So then uh it's gonna use these inputs and get uh advice from Gemini. It's just learning. Yeah. So it gives you some advice like as a certified financial advisor. These are the prompt. So in the code I in the code I told Gemini to act like a financial advisor. So they're able to give better financial advice to in the user's personal scenarios in their situation. So yeah, so it gives like estimated college costs and timeline, car budget, like an in-depth summary of their situation. Like you are in exceptionally strong financial position for a 20-year-old. It goes down all your inputs and yeah, it gives like needs and wants, car savings, college, long-term investing, um, action plans, define your car budget and college goals. Yeah. And then off to the side right here, there's a stock investment analyzer. So for example, we can put in, is there a certain stock you would want to see, or is just any is fine?
Yeah, let's go with any stock.
Okay, I'll just put Apple. It's gonna, yeah. So it's gonna create a price chart with all the data it gets from Y Finance, the library, and then it gives a suggestion at the end, like consider investing right now. Trend shows growth. So it's gonna use we got the data from Y Finance library and implemented and trained a linear regression model in order to calculate the last close and predicted next day close. And it tells the user if they should invest or hold off on the if good investing in the stock, basically. Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, that's really nice. And how accurate is this stock prediction model?
How accurate? I'm not too sure honestly, but I compared the like I was with my dad, for example, and I told him to give me a stock, and I showed him, for example, he told us like it's not in some cases it's sort of realistic, and other cases it's wrong because like I tried making it as up to date as possible, but I'm not too sure if like by the hour, by the second, I don't know if that's I don't know how close it is.
Yeah, I think I get that.
Yeah.
So let's get back to the presentation.
Okay. Mhm. Okay. So how I'm doing it. I developed Budget Buddy using Python as the primary programming language, taking advantage of libraries like Pandas for data analysis and Y Finance to fetch real-time stock market information. The AI component is powered by generative models like Gemini, which allows conversational, personalized financial advice. I built the user interface with Streamlit, a Python framework that enables interactive and user-friendly dashboards. This tech stack allowed me to create a functional prototype that combines technical depth with accessibility, innovation, and uniqueness. What makes Budget Buddy stand out is that it's an integration of cutting-edge AI technology with practical financial tools. Unlike traditional budgeting apps, Budget Buddy doesn't just track expenses. It actively educates users by providing AI-driven personalized advice and real-time investment insights. This dual approach makes it both a coach, and a tool. Additionally, by targeting youth and underserved users, Budget Buddy fills a crucial gap in financial literacy resources, making it innovative both technically and socially. Future scope. Looking ahead, there are many exciting ways to expand Budget Buddy. I plan to integrate banking APIs like Plaid to enable real-time transaction tracking, which would make budgeting even more seamless. Developing a mobile app version is another priority to allow users to access their financial coach on the go. I also want to add features like credit score monitoring, tax planning assistance, and maybe gamification elements to motivate users. Partnering with schools and nonprofit organizations could help scale the impact of Budget Buddy and bring financial literacy to more communities. Impact and practicality. Budget Buddy has the potential to make a real difference by making financial education accessible and practical. It can help young people avoid common money mistakes and build strong lifelong skills like promoting financial well-being. Because it's built using scalable modern technology, it's feasible to deploy in schools, youth programs, and community organizations like my workshops, like my organization that teaches the kids about financial literacy. Ultimately, Budget Buddy aims to empower users with the confidence and knowledge to manage their finances effectively, which can have a lasting impact on their futures. Thank you for listening, and